Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have positive and we have number 4 over x to the power of 5, because this one that is about x to the power of negative number 4. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we will have negative and we have negative number 4 x to the power of negative number 4 minus number 1. So negative and negative, we have positive number 4. This one, we have negative number 5. And we can put like this. Now, we don't have number 4 in here. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. The square root that is about u. This one with the x that is about u over 2 du. Now we put 1 over 2 go outside. U and u, we have u square. The integration of this one that is about u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. So number 2 and number 3 we have number 6. About u that is about this one. Or we can put like this, the square root that is about 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 multiplied by number 3. So we will have about 3 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.